A very warm good afternoon to each one of you present over here. Dear students, I welcome you all in today's biology class. I hope so that you all are fit and fine at your home and enjoying these digital classes. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay, so dear students, here before starting my actual lecture, I would like you all to close your eyes and chant this Gayatri Mantra along with me. Okay, dear student, you can open your eyes. Dear student, do you know that why we used to chant this mantra? So that we could have sound health, our family member should be sound, and all the creatures of this earth may have beautiful and healthy life. So with this, I would like to start with my today's lecture. Dear students, as we all know that we are studying chapter sexual reproduction in flowering plant. And I'm sure that you know everything, but if still there is any query, you are need to call me anytime. Today we will study different topic. But before that, you must know certain key terms which I have told you earlier, like pollination, fertilization, cross-pollination, and self-pollination. So I'm sure that you all know, but let's check. Who will tell me what is fertilization? I want Priyanka to answer. Okay, Priyanka, come on. Unmute yourself.
And the process of fusion of male and female gamete is called fertilization.
Excellent. Yes. So you all know what is fertilization. Today we will study about different terms such as hybridization, emasculation, bagging, and tagging. So let's begin. Dear student, you might have heard the name hybrid. Okay, there are liger and tiger. What are these? Student, these are the species which are obtained by male lion and female tiger. Okay, and tiger is obtained by mating of male tiger and female lion. It's okay. We'll take very simple example, that of mule. Okay, mule is the product when horse and donkey they mate. Same thing we will study in case of plants also. Here what we will study, that how different flower species can fuse each other to form a new product. For example, students, you might have heard the name of pomato. What is pomato? It is the hybrid of your potato and tomato. Okay, so we will study the same here. Okay, you all can see two pictures. Anyone can tell me that which is left hand side picture? This left hand side picture is of which process? Vanshika?
Self-pollination.
Excellent. It is self-pollination. Okay, yes. But since this time we know that pollination is natural. Yes or no? Either by using abiotic agent or biotic agent. But today we will understand that pollination can be done artificially also. So let's begin, students. Artificial hybridization. Here, artificially, we will allow the desired pollen grain to fuse with the stigma. Excited to know about this? I guess you all are. Okay. So first of all, you must know that who had given the artificial hybridization in fruit crop. So dear student, it was given by Knight. Remember this word, it is very important for your competitive point of view. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, Question arises, ma'am, what is the need of artificial hybridization? Sometimes, student, what happen? There is incompatibility between pollen grain and stigma. Okay, which leads to a rejection of pollen grain. What to do in that case? In that case, we can do artificial hybridization. We can allow desired pollen grain to fuse on the stigma. Still confusion? No, there is no confusion because I'm here. You need to remember about different parts of the flower, but for this topic, mainly two parts are required. What are those parts? Yes, I want Nina to answer. What are two parts of flower that is important in this process, Nina?
Pollen. Stamen.
Yes, one is stamen and other is carpel. Now, specifically, which part of stamen and which part of carpel is used? I want Neha to answer. Neha?
Ma'am, pollen grain and pistil.
Excellent. Okay, pollen grain from your stamen and stigma part of your carpel. Very good. So this process requires two techniques, dear student. First is your emasculation and second is your bagging and tagging. What to do in emasculation and what to do in bagging we will study. Student, in emasculation, what we do? We remove something. What is that something? That something is your anther from the bisexual flower without affecting the female reproductive part. Oh my God, I have used the word bisexual. What does that mean? Okay, now here I want Aryan to answer. Aryan, what are bisexual flower?
Which have both male and female parts.
Very good, yes. Student, emasculation is done only in those flowers which have both male and female part. If your flower is unisexual, in that case, there is no need to do emasculation. Okay, because it is single. So I guess you have understood. Okay, so how to do that process? The things which are required for this is scissor. For your emasculation, we need scissor. What we do? We take the bisexual flower and we cut the anther part of that flower before the dehiscence. Make it show, student, anther should be cut before its dehiscence. Otherwise, pollen grain might fall on that stigma. After that, you are supposed to take another flower whose pollen grain you need. Okay, suppose I want pollen grain of this flower, okay? And I will take it and I dust these pollen grain on the stigma of this flower. Okay, after emasculating it, and then I'll do bagging. What is this bagging? Student, bagging is done to prevent the cross-pollination. Clear? Because we have done emasculation, we have done bagging. Actually, we have done artificial hybridization, and now we don't want any unwanted pollen grain to fall on it. So we need some protection. For that protection, we are covering it with butter paper or with any plastic. After that, tagging. Tagging is also very important. After bagging, after doing everything, we must write here that what we have done, what is the time of emasculation, what is time of that bagging, who has done, okay, and this is done between which species of the flower. So all the information must be there on your tag, and that process is known as tagging. Student, I hope so that you have understood, but if still the concept is not that much clear, just look at this video and it will be a little bit more clear to you all. See here, first of all, what we will do, it is a kind of a demo. Okay? A material used are forceps, tag, then rubber, and then plastic bag. First of all, we will do emasculation. Okay, this we will do with the help of either scissor or forceps. Yes. Okay. Yes. See here. Here I'm taking out the, what I'm taking out? Pollen grains. Yes. Yes. After that, bagging in order to prevent cross pollination. I'll cover it with plastic bag. Then I'll tie it with thread. Then this desired pollen grain I have taken and I have allow it to grow or germinate on this. Yes. This is artificially I'm doing. After that, bagging. Then finally tagging. So in this way, student, we are supposed to perform this activity. I hope so that you enjoyed it. After that, you're supposed to give me the answer of this question, okay? Which part of the flower is used in artificial hybridization? You're supposed to drop your answer in chat box. Yes, Uma is writing stamen. Very good. Chia, okay. Specifically, which part? Yes. Yes. Yes, it is pollen grain and stigma. Yes, many of you are writing it. That's great. Now the question arises that, ma'am, what are the advantage of this? Dear student, by this we ensure that right type of pollen grain must be transferred on the stigma. Clear? Otherwise, during cross pollination, any unwanted pollen grain can come and can germinate over the stigma. So we can do this. And secondly, it improves the quality of the crop also. Last recapitulation of the topic, dear students. So first of all, what we did, we just removed the anther from bisexual flower. And if in case it is unisexual flower, there is no need to do emasculation, okay? Directly do a bagging and then you can add your desired pollen grain into that stigma. After that, bagging will be done. After that, your desired pollen grain must be collected from another flower and then it will be dropped in that emasculated flower and then your bag will be opened and it will be dusted over it and finally it will grow with the passage of time and new hybrid would be there. So I guess you have understood. So just check your, here I want to check your evaluation. So I'm dropping one link to you. Okay, students, get ready, okay? We will have fun. Okay, so here I'm Please join this link. Join in this link. Okay, now I'm starting the fun. Enter बच्चों. Yes. Yes. Gia has attempted first question.
Ma'am, here they are asking for code.
Code is student 793240.
719.
793240. And Ananya, Suhani, Nina, very good. Yes. Yes. So here I'm ending. Okay, so my felicitations goes to Jia, Neha, and Shivam. Congratulations, students. So I guess it was a fun. Any question to any student? Anyone want to ask any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So that's all from my side, student. Really, I enjoyed. Hope so. Same was with you all. Thank you so much. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bachcho.